Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how you can run n8n on your local system free of cost. If you don't know about n8n, you can come to this website. This is one of the very trending topic in these days. People are just making thousands of dollars by selling automation based systems to the enterprises. So here you can say you can see that they cost $20 per month, and you can also pay annually, and this is a pro subscription in which you're going to pay 50 euros, and then you have to contact them if you're a company. But I'm going to tell you that how you can run it locally on your system without paying a single penny, without paying anything. You can run it locally on your system. Okay, so first of all, you have to come in the Google and type download Docker desktop. Okay, so you have to come in the Google and type this, and then this one is the first website. You can click here, and then you are going to see this page, and after that you have to click here. If you are a Mac user, you can download it in this way, but as you can see, I am using it on Windows, so I have to download it for Windows. So after that you have to click here, and it will start installing this system for you, which is Docker Desktop Installer. Then after that you have to install that in your Windows, in your CD drive, wherever you want. So okay, once you're done, then you have to come here. It's like 580 MB, so then you can come after the successful installation, then you have to come on the start and type Docker Desktop. Okay, so then you can click here, and it will open you a software like this, and then you have to type it here, n8n. Okay, please choose the one that shows the 100 million plus downloads. So this is the one that you have to click on. Okay, so then click here, and then when you type n8n, so you are going to have see different other directories or Docker images. So then you are going to click on pull. Okay, so when you are going to click on pull, it will show you like this. Okay, image is up to date for status. Okay, so when it's done, then you can click on run, and you can click on run, and it will show you this kind of interface. And then when it's done, you can simply click here, and then you can simply run it. Okay, so after that, when it's done and it shows that editor is now accessible via this link, so you have to click here. It will open in a new window, and if it shows you this error, then you have to type one single command in your command prompt. Okay, so to run this on your system. Okay, so then you have to click here and type PowerShell. So you have to open this Windows PowerShell, and then you have to here you have to type docker run -it name n8n-p, and the port number is 5678, and press enter. Okay, and then it will show you this interface, and then it's already working. So now then you are going to refresh this page, and you will see the interface like this. Then you have to enter your email address, then you have to enter your first name, last name, and the password, and click next. When you click on next, it will send you an API key on your email address, and then you can use that API key, and you can have all of those features which are offered to the premium customers. Okay, like the one that the people who buy the premium version, you're going to have these in your local system, and you can you can run different workflows. You can there's no trial period for this, and you can easily run it like your lifetime. So thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.